Court is calling 2025 CR 005341 State versus Henry Chapa. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Chapa.
And are you Mr. Chapa? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Chapa, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, state moves to waive the enhancement language and also proceed on the lesser included offense of assault bodily.
All right, did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it and all?
Before we even get to the case details, pay attention how smoothly this judge runs through rights and procedures. It's like watching legal autopilot. But for the defendant, these aren't just formalities. This is a court making sure he fully owns every consequence about to land.
All the appropriate places. Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault of bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct.
Mr. Chapa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Oh, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the Bexar County Jail, $800 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions? Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that you have no contact with the complainant. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the lesser included offense, how do you plea?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offers states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, and state, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant? All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
If we may, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor, briefly, in reviewing the stipulations and the reports, I know that the altercation did not initiate with my client's actions. However, he was there. I have spoken at length with my client about the fact that we are oftentimes.
And just like that, guilty, no dramatic testimony, no witness showdown. When a defendant waives live testimony and accepts the evidence package, the court moves fast. It's clinical, precise, and honestly, a little chilling how quickly a life pivots with 2 words. Court finds you guilty.
product of our environment. So who he associates himself with inevitably becomes who he is. So I told him because of the actions that's contained in the report, he was kind of brought to the police, brought himself into the situation where if he was hanging around better people like
Excuse me, just one second. Ms. Abrams, so you'll know who they are. Okay. All right, thank you.
likely, but for that relationship that he was in, he would not have things that would not have escalated to what they became. And furthermore, Your Honor, the complaining witness did not wish to proceed with prosecution of this matter. He wished for the matter to be dismissed. So in light of all those things, Your Honor, my client does know that he needs to make better choices, smarter choices, and to associate with better people so they don't become guilty just as a matter of just being there.
All right. And the person who's your girlfriend, who is that?
Kathy Kachugo.
And do you still plan on associating with her?
No, ma'am, that's the reason why I got in trouble.
Do you want me to help you out by putting a no contact order in this sentence with her?
Yeah, you can, ma'am.
Okay,
Well,
I'll do that. And that way you can tell her, hey, the judge says I can't have any contact.
well, because of her, I got into a fight.
Well, how old are you?
58.
So it's really you.
Yeah, well, I should have walked away.
Mm-hmm. All right, this is what the court will do. The court is finding you guilty. The court will send it.
This confession right here, I should have walked away. That's the heart of the whole case. At 58, he's admitting the fight wasn't fate or bad luck. It was a choice. And that's exactly why judges hammer this point. Your circle, your temper, your decisions, they follow you straight into sentencing.
You to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's an $800 fine. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Christopher Morales. There's to be no contact. There's to be no contact with Kathy Kuchokos.
Chuko.
Chuko. Kouchoukos Martinez. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Sure.
All right, good luck to you. Make better choices, okay?